So when you're walking on a roof and you see this little faint line right here, that little faint line, and you flip it up and you realize it's not sealed at all and that tab is broken, that's wind damage. Come down here, you see another one of the same, right across the top there. Little black line. You lift it and you realize it's not sealed. So the seal's broken, the shingle mat has snapped. That's more wind damage. We have 2 pieces of wind damage up here. More wind damage down there. Got 4 right here. And this is already more than enough to have a claim paid through your insurance company. And then you go to your soft leads and you see all the little dots in it. That tells you there was hail in this area. So again, this is already more than enough to have the insurance company come out here and give you a new roof for pretty much the price of what the repairs would be.